What is up, everybody? My name is Lee Bartow and this is Cooking with Style. Let's get changed and head up to the kitchen and let's get cooking. Now that's better. Let's get upstairs and hit the kitchen. Now it's time to cook your pasta in boiling salted water for 1 minute less than what it recommends for al dente. Now while your gemelli is cooking, you want to go ahead and grab all your ingredients for your pesto. Toasted pine nuts, extra virgin olive oil, fresh basil, minced garlic, kosher salt, and grated Parmesan cheese. Now place everything into a food processor or a blender and blend it for about 1 minute. You also want to make sure to taste it for its salt factor. If it does need any salt, by all means season it. Well, now that our pesto is made and our gemelli is cooking, let's go ahead and dice down our red bell peppers. We also want to get into dicing down our chicken. When you are working with chicken, you want to make sure to use a separate board and clean it thoroughly after you've used it, so that way you do not get any cross-contamination. Now the pieces of chicken you want to cut to about the size of the top of your thumb, so you're looking for about 1.5 inch cubes. Time to start cooking, people. Let's start out in a hot pan with some blended oil, toss in our chicken, season it with salt, a little bit of cracked black pepper, and a little bit of Italian seasoning. Now you want to let it go for about 2 to 3 minutes to get a good sear on the one side. Now that we've let it cook for about 2-3 minutes, let's go ahead and toss the pan and flip that chicken so that way it starts to cook and sear on the opposing side. After 2 minutes, add your bell peppers and get ready for some obnoxious slow-mo. Yeah! Now that we've let our peppers and our chicken cook for another 3 minutes, go ahead and add about 3 tablespoons of that pesto that you made. Toss that vigorously so that way it fully coats the chicken and the peppers, and go ahead and add in about a half a cup of cream. And you're going to want to let this reduce down by about 1/4. Now that we've reached a slightly thicker consistency, go ahead and add about 2.5 tablespoons of freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Now take our strained and drained gemelli pasta. You want to toss that into your sauce and you want to let it cook for another minute, so that way it finishes the cooking process on that pasta. This will also allow that sauce to cook into the pasta and give it a much richer flavor. Boom! That is what I'm talking about. Plate it and eat it. Garnish it with some fresh herbs and just sit back and enjoy it. You've done good, people. Thanks again for watching, everybody. If you'd like to see any of my other videos, click the link right up in here. Also, if you'd like to subscribe to my channel, there'll be a link right up over here. And then as well, all the ingredients that we just covered in this recipe will be in the description down below. Thanks again, and keep cooking with style.